world where power meets precision, where strength is not just built, but engineered. Introducing the all-new 2026 BMW X10 M pickup truck, Black Edition. Bold, dominant, unapologetically aggressive. From the very first glance, the blacked-out kidney grille commands attention. Sharp LED headlights cut through the darkness like a predator in motion. This is not just a truck. This is authority on four wheels. Beneath the sculpted hood lies a heart built for adrenaline. One push of the start button, and the engine awakens with a deep, commanding roar. Not noise, but a statement. Designed with muscular body lines and an aggressive stance, the X10M grips the road with confidence. On the open highway, it doesn't follow limits. It redefines them. Side by side with superbikes, through endless highways, under blazing sunlight or city lights at night, it stands unstoppable. From the rear, the glowing LED taillights leave a signature of dominance. Quad exhausts breathe power, releasing raw performance into the air. Every acceleration is smooth. Every turn, precise. Every second, thrilling. Step inside, and the world changes. Premium leather seats, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting crafted for sophistication. A fully digital cockpit designed around the driver. Luxury meets performance. Technology meets instinct. Whether drifting across icy roads, racing through open highways, or cruising in silent confidence, the BMW X10M adapts effortlessly. This is not built for the ordinary. This is built for those who lead, for those who dare, for those who refuse to blend in. Power, control, presence. The 2026 BMW X10M pickup truck, Black Edition. Drive the future. Own the road.
Oh.